In this video, I'm going to show you how to create posts on Pinterest. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Pinterest and make sure that you do create an account. The next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be going to the bottom and pressing on this plus button that says create. Now from here, we can go ahead and select whether we want our post to be a pin, a collage, or a board. This is completely up to you. For this video, I'm just going to go ahead and select on pin like so. And then if it's your first time ever using Pinterest, then it is going to ask you for permission to access your gallery. So go ahead and just press on next and allow access over here. So yep, there you go. It should open up your device settings. So yeah, it might take you to your settings over here. So go over here to where it says permissions and then scroll down until you see videos and photos. And let's go ahead and press on always allow all like so. And then we can go ahead and go back to Pinterest and then it should be able to work. And now all you need to do is you need to go ahead and upload an image. Okay, so I'm just going to be posting this image right over here, and from here you can go ahead and give your post a title. Like for example, I'm just going to go ahead and just title this final memes like so, and then add a description. So go ahead and add whatever you think is necessary, and you can also even include a link to your pin as well. You can also pick a board and also include tag topics as well for people to find it easier. We also do have tag products and some more advanced settings over here. For example, we can go ahead and allow comments to similar products and stuff like that. But once you're done with that, once you went ahead and made this post to your liking, go ahead and press on create. And then there you go. You have now just made a post on Pinterest. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.